Alright guys, here's just a quick tutorial on how to access the quiz for the Science Solar System video and quiz. Sorry it's causing some glitches. This is a new platform, this website called Generation Genius. It's something new that I'm trying out, so I apologize that there's some issues, but we're going to work on solving them together. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the video, the solar system video formation. You're going to watch the video, okay? After you watch the video, you're going to scroll all the way down where it says online quiz game, play solo at home, play solo now. Then it's going to log you into Quizizz is what it's called, the website. You're going to hit start. And it's just a fun review quiz. It is not graded. It's just asking basic questions. So which of the following is an example of a dwarf planet? Pluto, Neptune, Mars, or Mercury. We know that Pluto is a dwarf planet, so I'm going to click Pluto. Okay, there's 10 questions, and you're going to, sorry, my dog is playing with her squeaky toy. I don't know if you can hear that in the video. But that's how you're going to play the quiz. You're going to go again to the, you're going to go to the video. You're going to scroll down to online quiz game, play solo at home, play solo now, and then you'll hit start. All right, guys, hopefully that answers some questions.